Welcome again to my tutorial video today on Bybit Future Trading. So I will show you step by step what is future trading, how to trade futures, and what is 10x leverage. And I will give you a real example, and I will try to practicalize it right now on this video. But you need to just watch this video to the end so that you can understand what is future trading, how to trade it, what is 10x, on how you can start trading on Bybit right now in this video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Before we go into the video deeply, I will try to tell you what is future trading, what is 10x, and the example you need to just understand before you start trading. So let me just show you right now in this particular video right away. So what is future trading? All right, future trading on Bybit and other platforms allow traders to buy and sell an asset at a later date at a pre-agreed price, unlike spot trading where you buy the actual crypto. So in futures, you are trading contracts that represent the price of the asset. Hope you understand. So example, if Bitcoin is 30,000 today, you can open a future trade predicting whether it will go up or down. You don't need to own Bitcoin itself. Are you with me? So you are just trading the price movement. So because you need to just understand what it's all about before you can jump into future trading. All right. So let's go to what is leverage. All right. Leverage means borrowing capital from exchange to open a larger position with a smaller amount of your money. With a smaller amount of your money. You see, it amplifies both profit and losses. It amplifies both profit and losses. Remember, example, if you have $100 as an example and use 10x leverage, you can open a position worth $1,000. You know, if you calculate 10 times 10, or sorry, 10, if you calculate 100 times 10, it will give you $1,000. All right. Then what does 10x means? A 10x leverage simplifies means your trade size is 10 times bigger than your capital. Are you with me? All right. 10x leverage means your trade size is 10 times bigger than your capital. With $100 at 10x, your trade is equal to $1,000. With $100 at 20x, your trade is equal to $2,000. So the higher leverage, the bigger the profit potential, but also the higher the risk of losing quickly if the market moves against you. Hope you understand me right now. So let's say, example, Bitcoin is $30,000 right now, and you open a long position with $100 at 10x leverage, and you see, which is $1,000 trade size. If Bitcoin rise by 1% to $30,300, all right, your $1,000 position makes a profit of $10 profit. Are you with me? Since you only put $100, that is a 10% gain on your capital. Are you with me right now? But if Bitcoin fall to 1% drop, you lose $10, which is 10% of your capital. So you need to just understand the risks involved and the profits as well involved in future trading. So this show how leverage magnifies both gain and losses. So let's continue with the video right now. All right, let's go back to the video right now. Since you have already understand what is leverage, what is future trading, so you need to just go and start practicalize what we have taught right now. But the first thing you need to do if you want to start trading, you need USDT. You can just come to your asset area down below here to fund your account. All right, then you can come to deposit area here to you can fund with USDT, or you can go to P2P area. I've already made a video on how you can easily fund your account. The video is down below this video. All right, you can choose any network, either Tron network, BEP20. You fund your account. So once you fund your account finish, your account will be like, let me just show you how your account will be. You can see the money is already here. So but your money is on funding. All right, you need to just make sure to transfer the money to your what? Unified Trading out of your money. Let's say I want to start with $100. I'll now try to come to Unified Trading. I'll click on Unified Trading. I'll now transfer the money from my what? From my funding. Okay, let me just go back to my funding. Let me just go back to this is my funding wallet. Hold on. Let's see. I'll click on my funding right now. On my funding wallet to transfer to my Unified Trading account. I'll now click on this transfer right now. When I click on transfer, I will try to, you can see from my funding to Unified Trading. I will now see I want to use just $100 out of my what? Out of my $300. I have 300 something. I will now click on confirm. All right, you can see the money is being sent to my Unified Trading. You can see the money is on what? Unified Trading account. So the next step right now, let's go back to our what? To our market. Come to market down below here. You can see when you come to markets, you can see we see something like spots. We have this is spots. Then you click on this derivative since you want to go for future trading. All right, so right now let's say I want to trade BTC. All right, then BTC right now is going up, is as retrace. So I need to just do my analysis first before we go to analysis. Let me show you something. We have long, we have short. All right, long means you want to long. You have already do your that Bitcoin will go up. Why short mean you want to sell. You believe that Bitcoin will come down, all right, a little bit before you start going up. So let me just click on long as an example, or short anyhow. But before you go that, let me tell you what is isolated and cross margin. We have this is isolated. All right, isolated means I want to use after, I have $100 capital here. Don't forget. All right, don't forget I have just what? $100 capital on my future trading account, which is Unified Trading. So let's say I just want to use $10 out of my $100. All right, it will not affect. I will just use, so the remaining $90 will be safe on my account. Even if I lose that particular $10, it will not affect my 100, not $90 that I have. I use $10 out of my $100 capital, all right, to trade. All right, so if the trade goes against me, I will just use just $10. I will not lose the entire $100 I have. But if it is cross margin, let me just click on cross margin. Cross margin. Cross margin means I'm risking, if I didn't use stop loss on my account, that means if the trade goes against me, I can lose all my $100 capital, my $100 capital. If I didn't use stop loss, all right, I can lose the money. So this isolated is very friendly for beginner. If you want to start doing it small. Hope you understand what is cross margin. That's cross margin. You are risking all your entire capital on your future account. But isolated means you can just risk either $10 to end. You can even open many position with your. You can trade BTC. You can trade Solana by using $10 each of the trade by using this particular isolated margin. So right now, if I want to do let me just go to my trading view first. If I want to trade BTC right now on my what? And I've already explained what is 10x to you. As a beginner, I can use, all right, as a beginner, I'll just use what? 10x leverage. You can see, all right. Let me just take everything to 10x, both short and what? 10x leverage. You can see, all right, 10x, everything like 10x leverage. For long, I'll just use 10x leverage, 10x like this, long. All right, can you see I've already used what? 10x leverage. I've already explained what is 10x leverage to you. Let's say I want to go for long or short, 10x leverage. All right, so I've already done with 10x, so I'm set right now. Then I want to go for isolated. I want to use just $10 out of my $100 capital. But let me just go to do my analysis right now on TradingView. Right, this is my trading view account, and you can see that on my 1 hour time frame, I see I've already tried to put my order around this zone. Maybe if Bitcoin come to this particular area, I want to pick a buy around 109,600. Around what? 109,600. So right now, because Bitcoin has already moved from this particular level to this level. So right now, let's see, I want to buy Bitcoin around 109,600. That is my own target I want to buy. And the market has not come to that particular level. All right. Because you can see the market right now is coming down from this level. The markets come drastically down. You can see from that level to this level. So my entry point is around 109,600. So I've already do my analysis. So later on, I'll teach you guys how to do your analysis on what's on Bitcoin, on any pair or cryptocurrency generally. So let's go and I'll just put my stop loss around this particular level, around 109,200, 109,200 or 109,800. So it's sorry, 109,200. Yes, 109,200. So that's my stop loss. All right. Let me just go and do that right now. So right now, I want to right now. I told you I want to use just $10 out of my what? Out of my $100. I'm just in case of you want to, So I want to use just $10 out of my $100 I have here. So what I'll just go to my calculator. So this is my calculator. I'll just say 10 times $10 times 10x. It will give me what? $100. That means I'm trading with $100 in future. Why my own capital is just what? Is just $10 only. I'm just it's as a practical example for you guys to know how to do it. So right now I've already know what I'm going to do in that area. So right now, let's say this is we have limits. We have limits. Limit means I want to set my limit. I want to price to come to my limit area before I can buy. Market me, I want to buy now. All right. Market me, I want to buy. I want to enter the market immediately. So right now here, I want to just, let's see, I want to buy at limit. All right. So that is where I want to, I want to buy. So I will not say I want to buy at 109,600. Then here you may see something like BTC, order by count, whatever. You can see something like this, but change it to what? Click on this area and change it to order by USDT. This one, don't forget, order by what? Order by USDT. All right, so that is the one I want to choose. So I'll now click on confirm. So here, don't forget, I say I will now put $100 here as a cost. $100. All right. So right now, if you want to start, you come to this area. You can pick the one I picked here. This is order by value, which is. But before you can start trading on, you must have at least $11. So my own money here is just $11. You can see this is $11. 11.7. So that let me show how I calculate. You can see I say 11 times 10. My own money is $11. Why the trade we see, why the market will see one around $10. All right, which is my own money is $11. Let me just go and place it right now. So right now I've already set everything. I want to enter the market around 109,600. Then I will now put my take profits to 110,900. 110,900. Right? I will make what? Around 1 point something dollars, 11 point something percent. So my stop loss is 109,6 sorry, yes, okay, 110,600. That's my take profit. All right, then my stop loss is all right, 109,200. So that's you can see this is I'll just set my everything now. I will now click on this open position right now. I've already set everything. Then if you want to check, you can check. All right, 109,600, 109. Can you see 109, 110,600? Then I'll now click on open. You can see this is all my order. All right, cost $11. That is my own money. Then I'll enter the 109. All right, the price I want to enter is 109,600. All right, so this is, I will now click on confirm right now. Confirm. So then the order will be waiting for me. So this is how you can just basically enter your trade after you do your technical analysis. So if you enjoying this video so far, try to subscribe, like, and this is when I click on modify, you can see my stop loss and everything. Then I'll just make $1 profit, around $1. Then I will just, if the trade goes again, I will just leave 0.4 something. So that's my own personal analysis on this future trading. So like, share this video, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.